welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I thought it would have been a great idea to show you how I set my table up for fall. So let's get started. I started by placing a runner in the center of the table. Now I'm going around the runner and placing these blue velvet pumpkin placemat that I got from Big Lots. Moving on to Dinnerware. Now I have this dinner plates that I got from HomeGoods. I just love the gold pumpkin detailing on them. Ooh, you saw how that lighting almost took my head? It's okay though. Bread and butter plates. I just love these plates for Thanksgiving. I'm going to be placing all the cups facing one direction. I just love placing my cups like that because I love the seamless look. Now moving on to the center of the table, placing in 2 pumpkins, one on each side. Now we're going to start with the mauve trim and go wrapping it around the pumpkin. And we're doing the same thing for the blue one, wrapping it in the opposite side. Now centerpiece. So I got a lot of flowers from Michael's and I was able to create this centerpiece for the table. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.